So guys, good morning. I was up fighting this washer pretty much all night last night, and the crazy thing ended up busting. It's got a bad burn down in the tub here, and it was just crazy shaking all over. The burn's completely shot. Anyway, I busted that ring trying to get it off. It was seized on there, so pop out. It's a new shooting target, I guess. It's a goner. But anyway, my wife's in the bed. I got up. Well, I don't think I've slept maybe 20 minutes last night. But she's been wanting, her birthday's in February, about a month. And she's been wanting a new back door because that one is cheap and it's junk. And I got her new washer, and she's been wanting some stuff done on her laundry room. Shout out John Smith. Say hello to John Smith, everyone. Somebody dropped a stray cat off, and he's took us as his owner. This is a mess. I'm gonna clean it up. But anyway, so new washer, we got it. And then this is always just a catch-all. So instead of it being like that, I'm gonna take that down, put some nice white cabinets up. And she wants some floating shelves. I didn't get the stuff for that because I didn't know exactly how she wanted those, but I will get that later on today or tomorrow. But here's the new back door. It looks like the other one, but it's an in swing instead of an out swing, and it's actually insulated. When it's cold out, this one is really not efficient at all. It's super thin, this trailer door. When it's real cold out, water just runs down this door from the condensation building up. But it's going to be an exciting little project. Thought I'd just walk y'all through it. Got to clean this up. I was in here fighting this washer last night real late. And we got some plans going on here, though. You know, the worst part about doing a rainy day at-home project is just me and the old dually here. Has to pack all that in by ourselves. I already got the door in, but I'm not looking forward to getting that washer in there by myself. And I wanted to have everything in the house before the wife got up. It's only 8 o'clock. She'll be getting up shortly, but there's the two cabinets we're going to be putting on the wall. They'll be nice, I believe. So guys, it's still a mess. This is stuff we're giving away to people. My wife goes through things every now and then, makes a little pile of stuff to give away. So don't pay that no attention. But we got the cabinets hung. Just want to go over with y'all how I do that. So I made me a level line across the bottom, and I held this first one up level. I went ahead and started a screw in it. That way I could hold it with one hand where I got it where I wanted it. And then I could start to screw. You see I held this off the wall just a little bit. That way the door can fully open. And then I got this first one up. Got it screwed, one screw in it. And then I laid my level. Let me grab my level here. I laid my level back in it to verify that it was level. And then once I had it exactly level, then I took and there's only one stud in this one, so I put screw up on the top on that cleat, and a screw on the bottom on that bottom cleat. So 4 screws. Then on this one I hit 2 studs. So we got a screw and a screw, 2 screws on the bottom, 2 screws on the top. So this one's got 6 screws. And the way cabinets work is, if it's not one by itself, they can carry the load together. So all you need is a countersink bit that's hot from where I drilled this one. And a countersink bit, you sink down about 1/4 inch. And if you see, you can get a plug, but we ain't worried about a plug. And I countersunk the face frames together, and those 2 cabinets now carry the load together. So between the 2 of them, they're in 3 studs. And if you see, we made sure we got that seam nice and tight. I got to take this plastic off these cabinets. But we got that seam nice and tight, and we got it plumb with each other. And we pulled those cabinets together with 2 screws through the face frames. You know, on this one you can't even see it, but it turned out really, really good. Now we just got to clean all this mess up and open the new washer. Get this house cleaned up before the wife gets home. My sister-in-law is in the hospital. She's going to have a new baby, little Serenity, and she's having some issues, some complications. So all of you that pray, if you wouldn't care, say a prayer for her. Her name's Ashley, and the baby's name's Serenity, and it's my brother's wife and their little girl. And y'all keep them in your prayers when you pray. Appreciate that. So guys, we got it finished. New door today. All trimmed out, looking nice. New washer. We're keeping the old dryer. It still works good. And, can't just be blowing money. The only thing I still have to do is adjust the doors. They're a little bit out, so that's simple to do with a screwdriver though. They got adjusters on them. See, I got all the stuff organized in there. Looking nice. This one's pretty empty, so now she's got much more room for storing stuff. I stuck those up there, but I can't wait for her to see it. I think she'll like it. Looks completely different before and after. I know she wants some floating shelves right here. Y'all leave some ideas in the comments what you think would look good there. If you think something else, I eventually want to get, once we get a garage built, once I build a garage, I want to put this deep freeze in the garage. And I want to put her a couple base cabinets right here and have her a little like folding area for her clothes. She's a good woman, takes care of me and the kids so good, and I just want to, have things where she likes it, and I like to see her smile when I do something like this for her. So I appreciate y'all watching. If you would, just leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. God bless. Appreciate you viewing this video.